What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I love finding plays that have a larger potential to succeed. Things that are going to show you the success right in front of your face, but then also have much more that can be behind the scenes, especially with things that are building use cases, right? It's so difficult to find something from the ground, from the basement, right? That's starting out, that's going to have utility, that's going to have massive support, that's going to have a reason to hold those things, like finding the next XRP or finding the next BNB or finding something that's even remotely as big, right? Even half as big or even a quarter as big as some of these plays, right? You're talking about things that can be worth multiple billions of dollars because of the things that they do rather than just the hype that they can generate, right? I want to see that hype, but I also want to see the growth based on, utility in a way, right? So I want you guys to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And this one, we're going to be talking about HyperSUI. I've heard about this, it's come across my desk, and I think it is pretty interesting because, again, it gives you that kind of beginning stage vibes because it is a pre-sale. You're joining the pre-sale to something that could potentially turn into something a lot bigger, right? So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will provide all of the links for HyperSUI down below if you guys want to check it out for yourself, including my referral link if you guys want to utilize that yourself there. Now, looking at HyperSUI, this is the first perpetual trading powered by SUI. Fast, secure, low-cost token trading powered by SUI blockchain. Currently, it is in pre-sale where they have raised about 1.6 million USD right now, and it's very close to actually being maxed out there to jumping to the next round, right? The next round is going to end in about 2 minutes from the time of recording this. So you guys will have basically a different price at that time, a different level, and a new trading round. But perpetuals reinvented trade low latency on chain perpetuals with full transparency and 100x leverage, no delays, no middleman, full self custody. HyperSUI layer learns from every trade to optimize execution, manage risk, and uncover new opportunities in real time. It's smarter markets, adaptive intelligence. Trade together, win together. Copy top traders on chain, share profits, and grow as a community. Transparent, social, and powered by smart contracts. The different partners, you can check that out as well. What is HyperSUI? Built for speed and efficiency. HyperSUI offers lightning fast transactions, near zero gas fees, and seamless DeFi experience designed for the modern trader. And I think this is probably the biggest selling point in something that actually has a use case in today's world is the speed, right? The whole point of Bitcoin, right? When we were so heavy on just Bitcoin being that next best thing, the one thing that brought it down to earth and we're looking for a newer option to really take over that is the lack of speed within, Bitcoin. So seeing something that can be lightning fast, that has the ability to be low cost, that has the ability to have, seamless DeFi experience, right? This is something that you want to see, is sought after, right? Now, advanced features and security with built-in staking, liquidity pools, and cross-chain swap functionality, HyperSUI delivers advanced trading tools while maintaining top-tier security, which is another big piece, is seeing that speed, but also making sure that it is secure. What you have is secure. The network is secure. Everything is secure, right? The fastest on-chain terminal ever built. Why SUI chain? Developer friendly, low latency, robust security, high scalability, right? You have, and really the sky's the limit there, right? You see what it can do. Listing at a 32x today's price. So if you wanted to know that you're going to see a massive return upon listing from where we are today to where it will be listed, that's where you're now like, okay, I kind of have a guaranteed return from what they're showing here from where it's listed. And then the growth after that could be absolutely massive. Could be, right? I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but it could be a lot more depending on, the hype, depending on the continued popularity, depending on the use case and the more the further development there as well. So I'm excited about it. So if you guys want to check this out, again, just more information. The max supply, 7 billion coins, while the initial market cap will be about $2.4 million. This is the definition of starting from the ground and, being able to see yourself on the 50th floor, being able to see yourself at a much higher level. Now, again, none of this is guaranteed. You know that everything has a risk, obviously, but the point is when you see something that has a little bit of popularity, that has people that are talking about it, that has a potential use case, that has the speed, that has the security, all of that stuff, it could be something a lot bigger. And that's what really speaks to me whenever I see, some play like this that does, come across my desk. Now, staking rewards, if you wanted to break everything down, you have 15% that's going to staking rewards out of the total supply, 25% to public sale, 10% to liquidity, 7% to treasury fund, 25% to ecosystem growth, 5% to KOLs, and then you have 13% to team and advisory there. So, unlock the full power of SUI trading, advanced trading tools, non-custody security, lightning fast swaps, and so on and so forth. So again, feel free to check out all of the links that I have down below. I will have the link for the website, the link for the Twitter account, and if you guys want to go and look at it, you can go and check it out here and utilize my link in order to do so, and it'll take you right here, and you'll be able to purchase HyperSUI. And I think it could be something that is beneficial to you. I think it could be. But again, as you look at plays, you look at a lot of these things that are out here, they all have the potential to make these moves, and it really just depends as you see the different things that are in development on whether they are going to go a lot further and a lot farther. So again, links will be at the top of the description. I want to know what you guys think about this. Have you heard about HyperSUI? Have you seen their Twitter account? Has anybody talked about it? I would like to know in the comment section if it has crossed your desk in any way before you've seen this video. But if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below for HyperSUI, as well as any links that are down there for me. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.